Understanding hemoglobin A1c. A key marker for long-term blood glucose control. Introduction. HbA1c, also known as glycated hemoglobin, is a form of hemoglobin that is chemically linked to glucose. The process by which sugars attach to hemoglobin is called glycation. The longer hyperglycemia occurs in blood, the more glucose binds to hemoglobin in the red blood cells and the higher the glycated hemoglobin. Once a hemoglobin molecule is glycated, it remains that way. A buildup of glycated hemoglobin within the red cell, therefore, reflects the average level of glucose to which the cell has been exposed during its life cycle. History. Hemoglobin A1c was first separated from other forms of hemoglobin by Hussmann and Meiring in 1958 using a chromatographic column. Its increase in diabetes was first described in 1969 by Samuel Robar. The use of hemoglobin A1c for monitoring the degree of control of glucose metabolism in diabetic patients was proposed in 1976 by Anthony Cherami, Ronald Koenig, and co-workers. What is a hemoglobin A1c HbA1c test? Glucose is a type of sugar in your blood that comes from the foods you eat. Your cells use glucose for energy. A hormone called insulin helps glucose get into your cells. If you have diabetes, your body doesn't make enough insulin, or your cells don't use it well. As a result, glucose can't get into your cells, so your blood sugar levels increase. Glucose in your blood sticks to hemoglobin, a protein in your red blood cells. As your blood glucose levels increase, more of your hemoglobin will be coated with glucose. An A1c test measures the percentage of your red blood cells that have glucose-coated hemoglobin. Importance of HbA1c. Provides a long-term overview of blood glucose control. Helps in diagnosing and managing diabetes. Associated with the risk of diabetes-related complications. Interpreting HbA1c results. Normal range, less than 5.7%. Pre-diabetes, 5.7% to 6.4%. Diabetes, 6.5% or higher. Target for diabetics, usually below 7%. Factors affecting HbA1c levels. Recent history of heavy blood loss due to trauma. Pregnancy. Recent history of blood transfusion. Hemoglobin variants. Anemia. Interference of certain medications. Managing HbA1c levels. Dietary adjustments, focus on low glycemic index foods. Exercise, regular physical activity to enhance insulin sensitivity. Medications, insulin, metformin, or other diabetes medications as prescribed. Regular monitoring, keep track of blood glucose levels and adjust treatment accordingly. Thank you.